Now we're going to take some time to actually see what it's like when you find and read a job posting online. Because in fact, it's not easy and they're often kind of hard to figure out. So let's say you go to Indeed. You're going to click on www.indeed.com and this screen will show up. You will see several points that you can fill in. One says what, that's the job you might be looking for, and you're going to write child welfare worker. And then where, for the moment, you just write Massachusetts and you click on search. Then you're going to see a screen with a number of different boxes that you can define the job more, filter it more closely. But for this exercise, just click on education and choose associate's degree, because it's not the job you're looking for today. It's a job that may very well be of interest in the near future for you. Now stop. You've done that. You've checked associate's degree, and now I need you to stop, because the first thing you'll be tempted to do is to look at the job requirements. Well, just don't. Don't immediately go to job requirements. First of all, many job requirements are a lot more flexible than you realize, and there's time to do this later. Right now, you're on a discovery phase. Going right to job requirements is almost a way to talk yourself out of all jobs. Nobody has everything that's required. Yeah, you're not looking to be a brain surgeon right now, but otherwise, don't be so quick to look at the job requirements. Instead, take a look at one of the jobs that shows up. And this one that I'm selecting is called Youth and Family Support in Worcester. Don't worry about locations for this exercise. There's more jobs in Boston than anywhere. Now, when you see that job, you'll notice that it takes up half of the screen. That's on the left. And on your right will be the exact same job, Youth and Family Support Worker, with more information, particularly what's called Profile Insights. Now that's where you're going to start reading. Now, not every job in Indeed is going to have the same language, but they're going to be very similar. And this is where it tells you exactly what the job does. The name of the organization is Wayside Youth and Family Support Network is hiring for dynamic youth and family support workers at our site. What do? We provide a supportive culture that is team-focused and places value on healthy work dynamics. Now we learn about the job, what you will do. If you were in this job, one thing you would do is provide culturally informed therapeutic interventions to children, young adults, and their families that promote skill building in the life domains of social functioning, symptom management, coping skills, and activities of daily living. You also collaborate with all members of the team to ensure continuity in treatment services and message delivered. You provide both what they call soft services. You provide mentoring, counseling, skill building with certain clients, as well as, quote, hard services like transportation, referrals, and helping them access necessary things like furniture, food, etc. And you serve as an advocate and attend meetings with the family as requested by the youth and the family. And finally, it talks about what they feel makes a great person on this job. A talent connecting with people, strong communication skills, both written and verbal, the ability to assess and manage risk, and flexibility and creative thinking with an ability to adapt. Now, these are all things that as you look at jobs, when you're ready to start applying, you can parse out, you can figure out what each one means and figure out if that's something you want to do and how you would sell yourself as someone able to do that. These are the important things on the job.